Hello guys, I'm Mike from Money Work Media, and in this video I will show you top 3 best cryptocurrency to invest in 2022. Number 1. Battle Infinity. Battle Infinity tops our list of the best cryptocurrency to buy in 2022. As the world's first NFT-based fantasy sports game integrated with the metaverse, Battle Infinity puts forward some excellent value propositions. It allows you to build your own battle team and earn while you flaunt your gaming skills in the metaverse. Battle Infinity introduces 6 products to the market. The first of these is Battle Swap, a DEX that works like a bank in the Battle Infinity ecosystem. With Battle Swap, you can buy IBAT tokens directly and exchange your rewards for another listed currency. Since the DEX is integrated with the in-game marketplace, game store, and arena, the transactions on the platform are fast and smooth. The in-game assets on Battle Infinity are graded by rarity. You can trade them in Battle Market and NFT Marketplace that lists assets like characters and weapons tokenized using the BEP 721 smart contracts. The platform gives users access to multiple play-to-earn NFT games through the multiplayer game store IBAT Battle Games. There is also a Battle Arena, where you have unique avatars. If you're not satisfied with the features like hair or clothes, you can upgrade them on IBAT Battle Market. Battle Infinity hosts multiple P2E battle games integrated with the metaverse world called the Battle Arena. The immersive gaming experience will be designed to bring traditional gamers on board, which is integral to the long-term growth of an NFT gaming platform. Being a Web3 platform, the income streams from Battle Infinity are not limited to gaming. The platform has integrated battle staking, where you can lock up your holdings for a period of time in exchange for rewards and extra benefits. Number 2. Lucky Block or LBlock. Next on our list of the best cryptocurrencies is Lucky Block, LBlock. It is the native currency of a worldwide games and competitions platform of the same name that gives play-to-earn rewards using blockchain protocols. Lucky Block features jackpot draws and daily competitions where everyone's a winner. All LBlock holders have free access to the jackpot. Interestingly, LBlock is the fastest cryptocurrency to hit the $1 billion market cap. It recorded 50K plus investors within the first 90 days of its launch. While LBlock was initially launched on the BSC blockchain, the next version will be on Ethereum. Moreover, it will be compatible with many major CEXs, bringing more users aboard. You can now buy LBlock on PancakeSwap. It is gearing up for launch on the leading crypto exchanges MEXC and LBank. This will be followed by more listings in the coming months to benefit from a dramatic increase in liquidity. While the internet is flooded with online games of chance, very few are transparent and profitable. The decentralized structure gives them little possibility of growth in the long run. Lucky Block brings these games to the blockchain, making them accessible to a wide range of users. The new approach instills transparency and fairness in games so that each player has better odds at winning. The solid rewards strategy further caters to its popularity. If the platform keeps building and expanding, it will prove to be a lucrative hold for investors by the end of this year. Number 3. Decentraland or Mana. If you have been watching the crypto market for quite a while now, we don't have to introduce you to Decentraland. Mana serves as the native cryptocurrency of this fast-growing metaverse that has been all the rage last year. Currently, Mana is selling for $0.798. This is significantly lower than its all-time high of $5.90, recorded in November 2021. As Decentraland grows and evolves with new partnerships and integrations, we expect the price of Mana to keep up. Projects like Decentraland show that metaverse can be for all. It brings together people, businesses, and technologies to nurture a thriving metaverse that gives us a peek into the future. The blockchain-run virtual reality platform has played an integral role in taking the decentralized metaverse movement to the masses. It is divided into virtual land plots that are tokenized for a transparent record of ownership. As a pioneer in the Web3 metaverse, Decentraland will continue to accumulate more value in the coming months. It is one of the best cryptocurrencies you can get hold of right now. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons.